ito si Jacob Gamings at nalaro ko Minecraft ulit. Sige, nag-alog na ako kasi okay, wait naman na sa English na. Oh, so okay. So guys, I have a thing that I need to show you something. Mama was sleeping. So Mineplex time. Okay, I don't know what to say it because it's so hard to say it. I'm speaking Tagalog. I am in Philippines. Yeah. Yeah, boys. Okay, so you need to download Minecraft, the latest version in the Play Store if you can buy it, and what's it called again? And Toolbox and latest version, and I just teleported. Okay. I'm stuck. And let's play Cake Wars, which is my favorite. Here we go. Oh, what are the songs? I need to clear this annoying ads. That's really weird. Hey, look at this TNT. Hey, look at this team. It's okay, me. Am I right? Yes. And Yamonia. You know Yamonia? I don't know what it sounds. Wait, there's a water dripping. It's kind of suspicious. I need to use the and portal. Oh no! Oh, I thought it's not gonna work. That shocked me, by the way. And when it was done, I'll use the beacon. And that was too long. Then obsidian. And we're gonna put the let me just go. Here we go. I love to say that. Here we go. Which the beacon is very strong. Oh, because that guy. Oh, now I get it. Wow, now I get it. Okay. And then I need to put this fur. Excuse me! Okay, you. How do they understand what I'm saying? Okay. I cannot put this. Okay, it's okay. He just scared me for a while. Okay, but they need it, and I was just like, yes. They were like speaking, but we're not talking. I don't know. It's so hard to talk in English in Tagalog. That's same. Quite same. Oh my gosh, freak. Oh my god, it's freaking hard. Okay, I need the emerald. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which I need is 4. That's why. Okay, and I will give this to them. Here you go. That is actually what they wanted. Wait, where's the guy? Oh no, what the freak? Okay, here's the pay. Oh no. Ah! Here you go. What do you wanted? Why so easy? I thought it actually disappeared. I got like shocked, like I just got so scared. It's so typical. It's so typical to give everyone. Dude, you don't care? Okay. Obsidian. I don't need freaking obsidian. Oh my god, that's fine. Obsidian. This is really good system. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, freaking god. I need the netherrack. When I thought on this time, it will continue the sound of the to be continued. That's my favorite. That's my bad memes. Oh, okay, sharpness. Here we go. What's that working? Okay, it's working. And I don't need to get put at all. Resources, and I think we need that because we need arrows, right? Bow. You can actually get that in the brick shop, but I actually need it, so I need to get it quick because I wanted to. Okay, let's get started. Here we go. I need to go now. Okay. So guys, alright, wait. Why the yellow is here? It's kind of suspicious, right? Okay. It's really confused. Yeah, yellow is. It's like yellow. 22. So. Oh my god! I need to get sneaky. Sneaky, peeky, lemon squishy. I hope no one's behind me. I thought they found me. Okay, let me jump them. No, I missed! Oh no. Oh no. They found me! Oh my god, I need to go fast. Gotta go fast. Oh no. Okay, okay, never mind. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of this. Oh no, I just showed up. Sorry, I just showed up. Okay. Hold on. Am I funny? Oh, it's still there. Okay, I showed it. I did shot. I need a tissue. A tissue. No. Oh, you read this windows. Yes. Yamasita. I need to kill yes. Okay, we need another one. Let's another one. Oh no. Yes! We win! Oh! I fall down. Just fall down. Oh, let's got that reach. You can't kill me. What is this? Hello. What are you doing? That wish is so weird. So I actually needed to use the too many items toolbox because it's really cool. You guys should use the 1.14 version. You're gonna make another one. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it and subscribe, and I hope you see another video. And we're signing up right now, and we got a dab. Oh yeah.